Okay, welcome back. More complex numbers. So this time we're going to be talking about an Argand diagram. Argand diagram. Sorry, that's an M there at the end. I just want to get it out quickly. Just watch me being writing. So basically this is the different way of looking at complex numbers, different way of showing them. It's kind of a graphic method, and it's really similar to XY coordinates. Okay. I don't want you guys to be staring at a blank screen either. So XY coordinates, you know, on XY you have, I'm just going to draw a really rough one, your X, your Y, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, etc, 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 and your point is going to be X1, Y1. Yeah? It's going to be pretty similar to that, okay? So I'll go ahead and I'll draw out our axes, and I'm going to try and make this one a little bit better. Okay, where this is our real axis, and this is our imaginary axis, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and label it. That's I, 2I, 3I, and this is going to be minus I, minus 2I, and minus 3I, and so on. I'm not going to draw all of them though. And now 1, 2, 3, so on, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So it's really similar to an XY coordinate system in that sense, okay? It's another way of showing complex numbers. So if we say our complex number Z1 is equal to 3 plus 2I, then we go to 3 on the real axis and then 2I on the imaginary axis. So Z1 is just going to be that little dot there, and that's how you show them, just kind of dots like that. Okay, and next color we're going to go Z2 is going to be minus 4 minus 2I. So I'm just going to draw a minus 4 in there as well. Okay, so minus 4 on the real axis, minus 2I in the imaginary one, and there's our dot there. It's going to be Z2. Yeah, should be simple enough, kind of. Z3 then is our last one. Ooh, our last one, our next one. Let me fix this. Z3. Okay, is equal to just I. Okay, so it's still a complex number. Z3 is just going to be here. It's going to be right on the imaginary axis. There doesn't have to be a real part as well. It can just be just I, or it can just be along this thing. So the next example we'll see as well. Green. No, we already have green. I'll go yellow. Z4 is equal to 3. Is just going to be this dot here. Z4. Okay. So right now there's not much. That doesn't seem very impressive at all, but it does. It's just kind of quite cool what you can do with the Argand diagram. So now that we know what it is, we can look in the next few videos about how to use it, and yeah, it's going to be fun. Okay, see you next time.